Hi there, today we will move this expensive $10,000 gun safe for the second time. This Pendleton safe has a rounded back. This feature enables the shells to turn to easy gun access. Here are the big bolts we installed last time. We removed the bolts and the spindles, except one that is built in. We installed the hydraulic jacks to bring the safe off the wall. Now we have enough room to wrap it. We will wrap the safe thoroughly and put it over wood beams using the Johnson bar. We reinstall our hydraulic jacks and roll it to our truck. The ramp and the winch are already set up to pull the safe up. We tie the gun safe securely and head to the unloading place. Now we unload the gun safe into the garage. We position the gun safe at the designated place. And voila! If you enjoyed our video, please give us the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like that. Thanks for watching and God bless America.